There's a water pressure gauge, and this is for the garden. Turn on the tap.
2 bars.
This is coming directly from the outside,
Yeah,
from the
this one
mains.
is the main pressure.
So this is the main pressure from the outside down here.
Yeah.
And it says 2 bars, which is really very good.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not. Alright guys, the installation is about to begin, and we've got the expert working on this. This is Grundfos and the connection pipe. So let's see what's gonna happen afterwards.
This one I have to come inside like that. And this one is the outlet. And this one I have to connect here. Okay, yeah, that's okay, because what I do it like that from here. I'm coming like that with the elbow.
Okay.
And from here I'm coming as well with the elbow. This one as well I have to do. I cut from here. I make from here somehow.
Is this just gonna be for the shower or for the old house?
Yeah, I think it's from the old house. Not I'm sure it's from the old house. 100% from the shower, because you have just this one hot water, all the hot water on a house, and the cold is other is this one. That choose heating.
Okay.
That one is cold. Yeah. It's
So
going all the house, yeah.
For the old house, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because I've got a shower in my room there, and that one is low pressure as well. So I want to be sure that it's gonna work for that one as well.
I try to work on everyone. Depends how it's designed the pipe on inside the floor. I can't see, but my opinion, 90% is old house.
Okay, good.
Okay, have to cut from here, from here. This one here, and that one, I think. Something like that from here. Or from here. Yeah, clear. What first I have to switch off. I switch off the water from the state. You leave the taps open to drain the tank. After
just
I cut
like
this
last
one.
time. Okay. Alright, this is the tap outside. I've just done the one in the garden, which is the water coming from the mains, and that is recording 2 bars. But this is coming from the tank, and just gonna, it's current at 0. Gonna turn on the tap. The water is coming through now. It's not recording. It's not even moving. So what are you doing now?
I connect the
switch for the...
I connect the spur switch from to supply the pump, the boosting pump.
Okay, that's perfect. Alright, right now we stop the water coming from the mains outside in order to conduct this operation, and there's no longer any water in the tank right here. So now he's making some incision into the pipes there to create some the connection pipe or the connection hose. So that's a small tool for cutting pipes.
I got the electrical one, but it's too big for this.
Yeah, that will be too big for this.
For this
So there's the manual one.
Yeah, of course. Now I clean the pipe to soldering.
All right.
I think I install in this position because I want to keep the space to change the motorized valve in case
right.
you need it to do the service here.
Okay. So if you keep it in this position, am I still going to be able to put that platform on this place? Yeah.
Yes,
that
of
one.
course. You know, in case something I cut it a little bit, I change it. That's fine. The platform, you know.
Yeah. Because of the height.
You have some wet, like tissue, like curved, wet curved something.
What? Okay, let me get one.
You know what I mean. Something and just put it a bit water.
All right.
It's smoke enough.
All right. What's that one?
That one? The fracs.
Okay.
That one is clean the. It's like cleaner to clean the pipe to solder properly.
Alright. Is it gonna burn that stuff?
Sorry?
Is it gonna burn that PVC? The heat? From
This one?
Yeah.
It's fine. I do it for this.
Yeah, because we can look for some like metal to block that place.
I'll take it out after I put back. This one is the best solution. This one is still hot. busy as well.
Yeah, that's the replacement of the motorized valve. As you can see, the existing one is rusty and it's kind of leaking as well. So I'm gonna get that replaced. So to do that, send the water from the mains, just from right there, turn it off completely. Is that a gas?
Which one?
The one you're turning off, right?
This one?
Yeah?
No, it's water.
Okay.
It's from the boiler, it's return.
All right. Careful with your head, please.
A lot of corrosion here. Okay.
All right, here we are opening the water from the mains, and it's coming through right now. So they say the Grundfos is now set up. The water is now dropping into the tank, as you can hear the sound. And then we're going to be powering up the water pump booster very shortly. Change the motorized valve as well. This motorized valve
I explain.
Sorry?
I explain you. Let me finish.
Okay.
You know, when you put the timer on,
Okay.
the timer send the power here. The engine
Okay.
is open the way, the waterway.
Okay.
After, when it's finished full,
Okay.
got it some switch, and that switch is activated when the switch is full, 100%.
Okay.
That switch is send the switch right for the boiler.
All right.
The boiler is start, is fire up.
Okay.
The pump as well, and the water, the hot water is coming from the pump to
Okay.
here to heat the water.
All right.
When this one is riding, the water is 50, 60 or 70, depends how you set. When that one is reading the right temperature, switch it the power from the timer.
Okay.
The motorized valve is closed.
Okay.
And switch the power as well from the boiler.
All right. All right, I'm putting this to test right now, and let's see what we've got. Can you see that? That is quite much better. Can you see the power compared to what it was this time around?
Before just dripping, I think.
Yeah, previously it was dripping, but now the pressure is a lot better and it's filling up quickly. Now, yeah, now it's filled up just in less than 1 minute, which is really good. I'm just going to do the countdown one more time. I want to see what's going to happen here. And then 60 seconds now. 65 seconds now. 70 seconds now, and it's filled up. So that is really amazing. Big improvement. The pressure without the
raw pressure.
Yeah.
You're coming to see exactly. Now I put it on. The raw pressure is 0.2 bar.
That's booster.
The boosting pump is done. I have to put on and to check again after.
Okay.
Yes. From now the boosting pump is done. Let's see the pressure.
Wow. Okay, when you turn up one of the tap now, it came up, the water rushed through, but now it's gone back.
How long it's come? Because the pump, just when the pump is so working. From now it's high pressure with the boosting pump.
Exactly. So now
1.5 bar.
1.5 bar.
With the other tap open. In case I switch it off, the tap is going to 3 bar.
All right, let's see what's going to happen when you switch that off. I just bought these Grundfos Amazon STP 3.0 brass twin impeller. It's a regenerative shower booster pump 3.0, and scroll to the bottom, and that is the price. It's just right there. So currently it is turned off, and the reason why I turn it off is because I want to show you the water pressure in like two bars of water pressure coming into my property, and as you go like maybe a few meters up, the pressure goes down. In here I think I'm having like 1 bar pressure of water, and because this is low pressure taps, I've got a high pressure tap here, and if I turn it on, then that is what I get. As you can see, I'm going to turn it off now, and we're going to experiment something. Okay, here's what I want to do. I just want to calculate how long it's going to take to fill up these 11 liters of bucket. So I'm going to turn it off again. Alright, here's what I've got. I've got a timer, pour all the water away, and we're gonna see how long it's gonna take to fill up this 11 liters bucket. So I'm gonna turn this one on first and then press the button. There we go. Just right there. It's right at the top. 4 minutes and 31 seconds. And here, if I have to put the shower on, let's see if we're gonna get any water at all. So I'm gonna turn on the water right there. Okay. Now to turn this on, just need to switch this and wait for the water. See what is coming out. Almost absolutely nothing. Just right there. That's what you can use. And that is because I've just reduced the height of the shower head. And that is what is coming out. Then turn on the one just right at the top. Let's see what is going to come out from there. So almost absolutely nothing is coming from the rain shower at the top there. And one other thing I want to point out from here is, for example, if somebody used the toilet, now for the next person to use the toilet, how long is it going to take? I'm going to turn these on again, make use of the timer, take off the head, reset the timer, and I'm just going to flush down the toilet. And the water is start filling up right now, so I'm just going to start up the timer. Getting shut down as it is getting the normal level. And what's the time right now? It's 5 minutes and 15 seconds, just right there. So this is about 5 minutes and 33 seconds, as you can see there. 5 minutes 33 seconds to be able to fill up this toilet bucket. So this is not really good. It's not really a good thing at all. So what I'm going to do right now is to turn on the Grundfos water pump or water pump booster and then run the water again and see how long it's going to take. Remember, initially it took about 4 minutes and 30 seconds to fill this 11 liter bucket. I'm going to pour the water away. All right, guys, let's turn on the booster. Now it's on. And come back into the toilet. Now see the pressure compared to the initial one. As you can hear the sound of the booster. Now it's running. Just right there. That's on. And you can see the speed, the pressure of the water. And next thing I'm gonna do is to refresh this one, the counter, and we're going to try to fill this bucket this time around. Initially it took about 4 minutes 30 seconds to fill up. Let's see how long it's going to take to get filled up right now. Let's get started. That's what we get now. You can see the speed of the water. It's so amazing. That is 3.0 pressure that is running all around my house at this point. It's about to fill up completely right now. So it actually took a minute to fill up these 11 liters of bucket. And we're going to try this again for the toilet. Remember, it took about 5 minutes 30 seconds to complete the one for the toilet. So I'm going to flood this one more time, and I'm going to refresh this. And then later on I'm going to run for the shower heads, the rain shower head and the other hand shower head. So let's get started with this. I'm going to flush this. And and then I'm gonna pull this up. Look at it. Look at the pressure of the water as it is running into the toilet bucket. I'm gonna bring my timer up. Just check that compared to what it was earlier on. Wow. Wow, check this out. Less than a minute. Or let's say approximately 1 minute to fill up this. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Compared to 5 minutes 30 seconds earlier on. So I'm gonna pull this down, and then we're gonna test the shower head now and see what the pressure is gonna look like. You remember there was nothing dripping out from the rain shower head, the power shower head at the top. This one, there was like 0.0002 pressure coming out from it earlier on. And then I'm gonna turn it on right now. Let's see what we've got. I'm gonna start with this one. Okay, turn on the wrong one. That's it. You can feel the power of the water coming out, that's gushing out with speed. And I'm going to switch this one off and turn on the one at the top. You remember the one at the top, as I said, nothing was coming out of it. Just like that. You can see the power of the shower head. So, well, guys, this completes the end of this video. In the other video that I'm going to be uploading, you will be seeing the installation process of the pump, the Grundfos booster pump. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day. Bye.